one of my cylinders has no compression, so I was thinking about how I was going to figure out what was wrong. So I took the valve cover off, and I was thinking if I lift up the camshaft enough, eventually if I turn the motor over, I can check the compression on the cylinder and see if, you know, lifting up the valve higher and higher until it seals. But I just figured out now. I just checked I guess this side lifters, these ones here, the ones on the right side of every cylinder. Now I can stick my feeler gauge under every one of them. There's at least like a 1/4 inch play. Now when I come to the cylinder that had no compression, I look at this valve right here, that lifter, there's something wrong. This gauge, this feeler gauge will not go underneath, even after I've lifted this that far. It still will not go underneath. So that's a problem, because see, the valve is not sealing. So I got to take this lifter out and find out why it's longer than all the others. And that should solve my problem. If I don't know what, maybe the lifter is stuck, and I'm not sure exactly why that lifter is longer than all the others.